New Valley has proven its value already, but the South is expanding. And today, we're here in Tagaytay to look at where the next wave of appreciation could happen. Kaya panoorin mo tong video na to and find out more. Hi friends, this is Mackie Oligaria from Dream Homes 101 and welcome back to another real estate episode only here on this channel. And today, as you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay, sa Serene Terraces, Tagaytay, ang ating kauna-unang townhouse dito ni Avida by Ayala Land. And a good thing about it, we will do a full house tour today. Ang inner and end units natin dito sa mga bahay natin sa loob. So, right now, samahan niyo ako and I'm very excited to show you our units available. Kung looking ka for a townhouse na hindi lang maganda, kundi nasa prime location pa, welcome to Serene Terraces, Tagaytay, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of Tagaytay. Ito yung unang townhouse ni Avida Land in Silang Crossing West. It's a 6.6 hectare development na ang target completion is in the last quarter of 2028. Yung gigising ka sa malamig na simoy ng hangin tapos walking distance ka lang sa mga restaurants, cafes, and daily essentials. Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo for groceries, dining, or family bonding. Everything is just a stone throw away and within reach. Perfect ito for young families, starting couples, or even sa mga retirees natin na gusto ng peaceful yet connected lifestyle. May secure environment ka na, open spaces, and that relaxing Tagaytay vibe na hinahanap ng marami. If you want a townhouse na pwede mong tawaging home, habang smart decision pa rin in terms of location and value, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Additionally, ano ba yung mga landmarks meron tayo? Malapit tayo sa Ayala Mall, Serene, Tagaytay City, Sky Ranch, and Tagaytay Medical City, Our Lady of Lourdes Parish Church, Samuel Mission, international schools, and many more. Isa sa mga exciting dito sa house na to is yung mga smart features. Meron tayo smart lock, door lock, smart touch glass switches, smart outlet, smart smoke, sensor multimode gateway, and CCTV cameras to ensure yung security natin. Pagdating naman sa mga amenities natin, we have east and west amenities. Yes, heard it right. Since high-end ang community natin, first time na we divided the amenities into two. These include clubhouse, adult and kiddie pools, parking spaces, playground, half basketball court, and beautifully landscaped areas na perfect para sa relaxation and leisure. So, it offers yung amenities natin, yung East Park, 1,805 square meters, West Park, 1,690 square meters, green walk paths, gated community with 24/7 security, perfect din para sa Airbnb. Ano ba yung mga ino-offer natin dito? Ang lot ranges starts at 78 square meters, inner 119 square meters sa end unit. 80 square meters naman both sa end unit and inner unit ang floor area. Estimated price niya is around 12 to 15 million and for only 80K na reservation fee, you'll get to choose the best location that fits your style. Tara, let's take a closer look sa mga house natin dito sa loob. So right now, dito muna tayo sa end unit. Bigyan natin ng full house tour. So pasok tayo sa loob. Dito sa pinaka-facade niya, as you can see, very elegant and very breezy yung hangin dito, yung atmosphere. Here you have your carport. Here is your property line. And since we value really yung open space, we still have easement dyan na medyo malawak pa before the gutter and before the road. So, pasok tayo. Here's your carport. Meron tayong pwedeng mapagtaniman dyan. Depende sa iyo kung gusto mong sagad na parking na siya. And gusto ko lang i-highlight din tong main entry natin, yung porch natin. At the same time, yung, what else? Here, yung breeze blocks right here, na maganda yan kasi umiikot yung hangin, magkakaroon ng proper pa rin na ventilation, is still maintaining the privacy. And we have dyan yung CCTV since we really promote yung safety and security ng community natin. May CCTV tayo, kauna-unahang townhouse na merong CCTV camera. And pagpasok mo pa lang, very spacious. So naka-painted finished exterior walls na rin tayo. And pagpasok mo, as you can see, solid yung door natin. Naka-painted finished solid door na rin tayo with a smart lock. Ang kauna-unahang townhouse natin na merong smart lock. And pasok tayo, and sobrang generous ng open spaces right here. As you can see, naka-porcelain tiles na rin tayo, and windows are everywhere. So makikita mo may windows tayo dyan, meron tayong windows dito, and even dito sa may kitchen part natin, meron na rin tayong windows para magkaroon ng natural lighting pa din, and ventilation, para very breezy pa rin kahit sa loob. Malamig. And here, as you can see, we have yung floating cabinet natin or your upper cabinet natin na modular cabinet na rin right here. And yung granite countertop natin na ginamit din dito sa kitchen. What else? We have the smart switches. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakagusto kong features na itong townhouse natin dito sa Tagaytay. Dahil mga naka-smart switches na rin tayo, outlets na pwede mong i-connect sa iyong phone, and very convenient na siya sa atin. So, buksan natin tong pinto. Pagbukas mo ng pinto, as you can see, maluwag pa rin siya. Pwede siyang maging laundry area mo, or pwede mong gawing maliit na lanay, I would say. Para kung gusto mo magkape at mahiling ka magbasa-basa ng books, pwede mong gamitin tong mga area nito, mga other space pa, para mas ma-maximize and ma-optimize yung araw mo. Pakita ko muna sa inyo tong first toilet and bath natin. Sa first toilet and bath natin, ayan, very spacious siya. And ang ganda na, naka-American standard na yung fixtures natin. And what else? Hindi siya madulas dahil naka-ceramic tiles na rin tayo. And hindi babaha dahil nakaangat yung, nakalubog yung yung ceramic tiles natin para hindi umangat yung tubig. What else? Akit tayo sa taas para mas makita pa natin yung mga yung sa taas. So as you can see, pag-akit natin, naka-solid handrail wood, painted solid wood handrail na rin tayo, and railing na steel. And yung footsteps natin, solid wood painted finished na rin siya. Akit tayo, very high yung ceiling niya, as you can see. So pwede ka pang maglagay ng dyan, ng chandelier para mas ma-optimize and mas magkaroon ng magandang elegant na feels dito sa iyong townhouse. Oh wow, very spacious naman dito sa taas. So ito yung flex area natin, depende sa'yo kung paano mo siya i-optimize. And by the way, ang floor area natin dito sa end unit is 80 square meters yung standard natin. And meron tayong 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths here. So pasok tayo sa unang kwarto. Oh wow, ang ganda. Very spacious. So ito yung unang kwarto natin dito. May mga outlets na rin tayo everywhere, and meron tayong window then for proper ventilation. So to really improve, painted finished na rin yung mga walls natin. What else dito? Meron tayong mga smart switches din para deconnect na lang din sa phone. And as you can see, mga solid yung mga doors natin. Solid wood yung doors natin. And windows pa rin for proper ventilation. Ayan. Pasukin natin yung isang CR. Let's take a look inside. Ayan. So ikaw, depende sa'yo kung paano mo siya i-optimize at mas pagagandahin. Pero yung fixtures niya, very elegant yung feels. Parang konti na lang yung i-improve mo sa kanya. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng natin. Lavatory natin right here. And naka-GFCI outlet na rin tayo dito. Ito siguro yung master's bedroom. Kasi mas malaki siya. Malaki siya talaga. So as you can see, painted finish yung walls. And we have here yung very elegant looking na windows right here. So, ayan, sa loob ng master's bedroom, we have yung sarili nating toilet and bath. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumaba kung magsi-CR ka dahil sa miss or lumabas for the common toilet. Dahil dito pa lang sa master's bedroom, meron ka ng sarili mong CR. And ano na rin siya, ceramic tiles na rin siya. Tayo natin. Okay. Let's go here. Oh wow. One of the best features ng architectural designs ng ng townhouse na to is yung balcony, yung design ng balcony. Sobrang elegant na looking niya. Kumbaga kung ikaw yung mahilig ka sa talagang yung parang kaisa mo yung nature, this feels really natural dahil as you can see, Tagaytay, mataas ang elevation dito and sobrang lakas ng hangin sa area. So dito sa balcony mo, naka-ceramic tiles ka na rin. So very breezy yung feels and sobrang mahangin. And kita mo pa yung view ng serene na west and east natin na mga high-end na condominiums here in Tagaytay ni Ayala. And the good thing about it is that na-optimize talaga ng maganda. Yung exterior walls niya is painted finish na rin. So right now, I'm gonna give you a full house tour sa inner natin. So as you can see, you have a carport right here. Yung planting strip, parang pinaka-planting strip mo, pwede mo pagtaniman yan. And yung, what do you call this? Breeze blocks. Kung saan ay nagkakaroon siya ng proper ventilation, umiikot yung hangin, at the same time, maintaining the privacy. Main entry, porch, and the CCTV camera, just as from before, sa end unit. And pasok tayo. Solid na siya, yung painted finish wood, and smart lock na din. Smart switches, yan yung mga gusto kong features dito, dahil very smart home siya. So as you can see, we have a floating cabinet right here. Yung upper cabinet natin and yung modular cabinet natin na laminated na both. And yung same as from the other unit, sa end unit, granite na rin yung countertop niya. And we have yung outlets, window for sanitation or proper lighting and ventilation. So dito yung sliding door natin, and paglabas mo, wow, very spacious yung space. Dito pwede ka pang maglagay ng laundry area mo. Meron naman tayong saksakan sa part na to. So, pwede mo siyang gawing laundry area or pwede rin gawing lanay. Most probably. Kasi maganda, very spacious siya. Maluwag. Pasok tayo, balik tayo sa loob. So, as you can see, porcelain tiles na rin siya. And yung first natin na toilet and bath, parang dun lang din sa end unit. Ceramic tiles na siya. Lavatory natin. GFCI outlet. Switch. And a water closet. Provision for water heater. May ilaw ka na rin and showers. So let's go sa taas. Meron ka pa rito nga palang provision for storage. Pwede mo siyang gawing storage. Akyat tayo sa taas. As you can see, just like from before, parehas lang naman ng features. Yung handrail niya ay wood na painted finish na handrail and steel railing. And yung tread niya or yung footsteps niya, solid wood painted finish na rin siya. So, ito naman natin yung second floor. So, as you can see, ito yung flex area mo. Pasukin natin yung first bedroom. Solid na yung yung window niya. Solid wood na siya. And here, as you can see, very spacious. And we have yung smart switch natin dito. And may mga outlets tayo. And also, painted finish na rin siya. And you can see the natural light coming from the outside. And very refreshing. What else? Yung second bedroom natin. So, same din as from the other room. Ano rin siya, painted finish na rin siya. May smart switch and also we have yung window to promote yung proper lighting and ventilation. So, yan, maganda siya. Very spacious. Yung first toilet and bath natin dito sa taas, parang sa end unit lang din. So, as you can see, ceramic tiles na rin siya. Hindi siya madulas, kaya very safe. And American standard yung fixtures niya. We also have the provision, as you can see right here, for water heater. Same lang din as doon sa end unit. Pasukin natin yung master's bedroom. Let's go. So here, this one is very humongous. The space is very spacious really. It gives you yung parang maluwag na atmosphere because of the window. because of the window. So very architectural yung design niya. Sobrang ganda. And what else? The second toilet and bath nasa loob na mismo ng master's bedroom. Pasukin natin. Ceramic tiles na rin siya. Yung lavatory niya is right here. We have yung GFCI outlet and yung water closet, shower, provision for water heater. Very, complete na yung ating mga fixtures dyan. Ito yung actual deliverable. And labas naman tayo dito. Once na ma-turn over sa yung property mo. And labas naman tayo dito sa may balcony. As you can see, sobrang luwag ng balcony. Very generous yung space. And we also have here yung saksakan. GFCI na rin siya. Na kapag ka nabasa siya, automatic siyang patay. And dito makikita mo yung view from the inside right here. Sobrang ganda. Depending on the location, magkakaroon ka ng view ng Tagaytay Ridge, mountains, and sobrang breezy ng hangin dito. And good news dahil dito sa inner unit, sa first 30 buyers na makapag-avail ng inner unit would have the opportunity to have the na promo natin ngayon na 10 times the standard discount, which is approximately around 1 million. Kaya kung interested ka na simulan yung pagbili or pag-invest ng bahay, townhouse, end unit man yan or inner unit, please message me on my personal number, which is +63 997 2650593. It's a go-to Viber na rin and a WhatsApp. And follow my page, YouTube channel, which is Dream Homes 101 for more upcoming videos. Again, this is your host, Mackie Oligari of Dream Homes 101, where your dreams become a reality, always one home at a time.